In this video, I'm going to be covering all the algorithms you need to know for when your phi edge is flipped. For Polish flip, there's a couple different ways of doing it. The main algorithm looks like this: R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U, L. And another way of finger tricking that is like this: R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U prime, L. For the lefty version, you can do L prime, U, L, R, U, R prime, or you can also finger trick it like this: L prime, U, L, R, U, R prime. For this case, you can also do it from this angle, and you can do L prime, U prime, L, and then you get that inverse sexy. And then for this case, you can do R, U, R prime, and then you get a left inverse sexy. You can also do this case from this angle by doing a hedge, U prime, L prime, U prime, L. And you can do this one from this angle by doing a sledge, U, R prime. For this case, you can solve it with either a sledge, U prime, sledge. Another way you can solve this case from this angle is by doing L prime, U prime, L. Then you get this case. You can also do R, U prime, R prime, and you can cancel into this case. For this case, you can also do L4E. From this angle, you can do L, R, U prime, cancel into a sledge, cancel into the L prime. From this angle, you can do R2 canceling into a sledge, L2 prime, insert that, R. For this case, you can mirror all of those algorithms I just showed. So hedge, U, hedge, R, U, R prime, into that, L prime, U, cancel into a hedge. For L4E, like this. And for this angle, like this. There's two ways of doing 4-flip. First one is to do R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U, L, R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U, L. The second way of doing it is L prime, U, L, R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U, L, R, U prime, R prime. When you get 4-flip at an AUF, you can do L4E to cancel a move. If you get it from a UAUF, you can do it from the right and do R prime, L prime, U, L, R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U, L, R. If you get it from the other AUF, you can hold it on the left and do L, R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U, L, R, U prime, R prime, L prime.